Locos, welcome back to my channel. You know, Chico Loco's Kitchen here. Today we're gonna make some salsa. Now, this one we're gonna eat salsa. This salsa is good for the pupusas, but we're gonna make it today for the yuca and chicharon. Alright, so our chef from last time, Chef Ling Ling, is gonna be a photographer for today. There you go. Alright, so we're gonna need some tomatoes, green pepper, onion, garlic, a little bit of chicken seasoning, and some oregano. Alright, we're gonna wash the things and chop it up. Alright, now we're gonna show you, we chop it up into pieces. Here's the other one. Alright, we're gonna dump it in here. Alright, we're gonna add 1 cup of water. So we also need 1 spoon of oil. There you go. That's that. And we're gonna dump in this in there. This is the, ooh, look at that butt. When it's all done, we're gonna blend it, alright? But not yet. We're gonna cover it right here. So we're gonna let it cook for minutes until the tomatoes are soft and everything, so we can blend it all together later. Be right back. Alright, so now it is done. Come check it out. See? It's like the skin coming off. That's how you want it. So you're gonna pick it up. Pick it up. Pieces. Try not to get the juice, just the tomato, the garlic, onion, all that stuff inside there. If it don't fit, do 2 of them, no problem. But we're gonna use that juice again for the sauce, so we don't have to worry about it. Bring it here. I don't know how this works. This is that way, this is that way. This is that. So, put this one like that. Okay, good. So, we're gonna do the rest of it like this. Woo! And put it back in the pan. Alrighty then. Also, we're gonna put a little bit of jalapeno. Okay. To give it a little bit of kick. Alright, that's it. We're gonna put a little bit of seasoning. We're gonna use a little bit of the Maggi. Put it in there. And a little bit of oregano. There you go. And we're gonna blend it 1 more time. There you go. Sit it. What? There you go. If it's too thick, add a little bit of water, you should be fine. You got the sauce right there, the water in the pot. Alright. So there we go. Now we're just gonna cook it a little bit more. With all the fine ingredients. Let it come to boil a little bit. and should be good. All right, we'll come back with the final product. All right, so we got it to boil one more time, and we added a little bit more of the chicken seasoning. I like to use. You can buy it in powder, as you like. But now we're gonna put it in a container because we're not gonna use it right now. We're gonna use it later. Okay? Or you can put it in a bowl, right? Serve it. So you have to let it cool down before putting it in a bowl. Okay? Let's see if it goes. And you can lick all of this. Alright. Alright, so that's it. About 15 tomatoes, 2 onions, 1 green pepper, and 1 head of garlic. This is good. Alright, amigos. Thank you for joining in. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, say hello, hi, comment or something, right? And we'll be back for the next video next week. Thank you. Signing off. Chico Loco's Kitchen. Later. Bye.